Welcome back. Do I have a treat for you? If you love mid-century home decor, you're gonna love this video. I am so excited. I love mid-century, but rarely do I find a place that offers a lot of mid-century. And I came across mid-century heaven. That's not the name of the store, but that's what I'm gonna call it. And I am so excited to share it with you guys. I didn't even intend to film in here, but I'm like, I gotta share this with my people. Y'all gotta check this out. This is not a place for bargains, y'all, although prices are negotiable, but they're nonetheless beautiful. And if you love mid-century home decor, you're already familiar with some of the high price tags that these pieces can go for. So I'm just happy to be able to share this with you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. There is no haul at the end of this video because these prices is too high for your girl. Like I make regular people money. Like I don't have money to be paying $3,000 for a single piece of furniture, but hopefully I will get there one day. But just enjoy. So let me just take you all around and give you some of my feedback on some of these pieces because I love it. You know, this mid-century walnut gorgeous cabinetry, and it's just so beautiful and elegant. Even this pestle and mortar, like who'd have thought that would have been mid-century? I never even seen a mid-century in pestle and mortar, but that's gorgeous. And now check this lamp out. Check out this. This is, I almost passed out when I saw this. It's expensive, but it is gorgeous, you guys. Gorgeous. That is just a piece that you just put above like one of those mid-century like lounge chairs. Oh, that would be beautiful. This lamp here, this floor lamp, this is absolutely gorgeous. I love this. You can't get more mid-century than this for $345. So I'm gonna just try to like contain my excitement a little bit and let you guys, enjoy this. But definitely let me know like what you guys think. Like, do you love mid-century? And are you a collector of mid-century decor? And if you want to know where this place is, please leave a comment down below. I will let you, I will respond and let you know where you can find these pieces. Because this is it was just mid-century everywhere. I am so excited. I am definitely coming back here. This is just, gosh, it speaks for itself. It speaks for itself. I love mid-century, but I really don't have any mid-century in my house because I rarely find it and it's never really affordable. And it ain't affordable here either. But, if you got money like that, I guess you can, splurge. These two bookends, they are vintage and they're filled with like sand, it feels like, rather than being solid. So I definitely don't think they're worth $95. This vessel was so unique. I started to buy this. It's high at $110, but it was just very unique. I really like that. And this dresser, oh my gosh. Y'all, do you see this? With the black accents? Man. How much is this? Let me see. Almost $3,000. You really have to love mid-century to spend $3,000 on a dresser. And of course you got the grapes, the big alabaster grapes. This is $65. It's actually a good price for how big those grapes were. This is a really nice, is it a buffet? I guess it's a buffet. Really nice cabinet. That's a gorgeous bowl. You see wood bowls kind of everywhere though. Look at the handles on that buffet or dresser or whatever it is. I don't even know what it is. Cabinet. $5.25. I actually think that's a good price for that particular piece. This I started to get. This is just an ice bucket. But then I was like, where am I gonna put the ice bucket? If I had like a mid-century bar cart or buffet, then it would make sense to buy a piece like this. But otherwise, I just have no place to put it and to spend that much on it. And I have no place for it. It just didn't make sense. But I really, really like it. They had some really beautiful artwork as well. I didn't really notice a lot of mid-century looking kind of abstract art in this particular place, but they had nice paintings nonetheless. There was even some, African busts and these candlestick holders, which I thought were really unique. Check out the price on here. $50 for the set. That's an okay price, I guess. I love vintage door knobs, and they just had buckets full. I love the ones with the keyholes. You can't really get any privacy with a keyhole. Look at this lamp. Do you see that? Whew, that's like straight up Jetsons. I'm telling you. $625. You have to really love that lamp to pay that much. It's a beautiful desk. I could use a desk like that right now. Already got compartments in it inside the drawers. $5.75. That's not bad. And like I said, a lot of these prices are negotiable, so you can, if you really like something, you can knock a little something off the price. I really love this set here. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. $937. I think that's for the whole set. Probably not actually. I'm seeing price tags on everything, so. But that's for that one piece. Here's a bar cart for my ice bucket. This is interesting. Guess it's an ashtray. Beautiful colors. Oh, this is straight up Jetsons. Look at this chair. Oh my gosh. That's a good price because a lot of lounge chairs are about $300. So that is a good price actually. I tried to slow it down because I got some comments last time that I was moving the camera too fast. So hopefully I was able to slow it down for you guys so you won't get headaches watching my videos. I'm learning, guys. I'm still new. And these are cool. These are Jose Cuervo lamps, not vintage, but nonetheless cool. $130. That's pretty cool to have in your house.